What is, of course, also very powerful and makes the whole thing even more interesting is the reduction of the required kinematics. Kinematics in the form of axis systems, robots, and articulated arm systems. Ultimately, it doesn't matter in what way or in what form. In the background, of course, we also see the pickers, as we call them. These take over the pick-and-place process and the loading of the movers. Nevertheless, in the further processes, for example, when something has to be processed on a workpiece carrier, we can move them with micrometer precision and completely free of any mechanical restrictions. The mover can be introduced into a process, whatever that may be, whether soldering, screwing, assembling, etc., or casting, dispensing and filling liquids. All conceivable possibilities and completely free, which of course makes the process very interesting.